Hey guys, it's a rainy night here at the Slouch Head Garage in Northwest North Carolina, and I'm going to start on this window. The window came in from Motion Windows. This came in from my sliding door, and I'm going to start on this tonight. I'm not going to get it done. I just have an hour or so to work, so I'm going to get the pattern maybe cut out and mark on my door over here. So this is what we're working on. Now what you need, if you have a 68 Chevrolet Impala fastback with a 18-foot long hood, that works great to lay this out on. If you don't have that, I wouldn't recommend using a Volkswagen Bug, but any large flat surface will work. So I got me a pattern, or I got me a mark all the way around this here, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to find my tape measure. I need to clean up my garage bad, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to measure this length and width and double check it with what I have over there. It looks like, and I've seen this before, you pretty much are going to cut out almost to the edge of where these this metal comes together right here on this line. Now it's probably about maybe a 1/4 inch out, and the height is maybe a little bit different. Maybe you don't have to cut out quite as close on the height, maybe a 1/2 inch or so. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this support out right here. I'm gonna cut here and up here. Then I have my pattern that I cut out from the window, and I'm gonna tape it on here and give me some good marks before I cut this out. I think the only thing that's not gonna match really good is the radiuses right here. So I'm gonna work on cutting this out. Okay, that's the first thing I wanted to do is cut this support out. Okay, when I put my pattern up here, the only thing that really don't match up is these radiuses. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get me something that matches the size of this radius, and I'm just gonna go from corner to corner here. Because other than that, this pattern goes right up to where I said it goes. It goes right up to the edge to where this metal meets, all the way around. Let's make some sparks. Having a lift helps. To me, the first thing I think of is I gained a piece of metal for scrap that I can make something out of. Anyhow, we got a hole in the van. Yep. So I'm waiting on my little honey to come help me put this in. So, but we have it ready to go in. We got everything cleaned up, put some paint on the edges where I'd cut. Got the seal put on here. This is the seal. You just clean your edge up real good on your window and put this seal all the way around it. Let the part where it overlaps be on the bottom. You don't want that on the top because you know, your top's gonna be where it catches all the rain. So anyhow, should be out here and we're gonna get this in. They always, the video I watched said to spray it down real good. You do that so it can slide when you put the wind in, to just make sure you have it in the right location. So got it sprayed down and we're gonna put that up there and I'm gonna snug it up. Okay, I have my assistant now. Okay, while she's holding that, we're gonna go inside and see if we can start the frame. Sorry about all that shaking. This is the bottom. Oh, wait a minute. Make sure it's the bottom. Yeah, it's the bottom. So, we got her in here. What do you think? This is what I was talking about earlier about the radius don't quite line up with the radius, or they don't match with the existing radius in the van. But it don't bother me a bit. I mean, I like it. The hardest thing about this whole project was putting the trim on. And this is in two halves, the bottom half and the top half. And I started the bottom half and got most of the screws in it. Put the top one on. Well, I started over here, and as I was going around, then I looked. This had overlapped by a lot over here. And what I wound up doing was unbolting it and lining it up here, starting to screw in the center, and then going back and barely starting to screw in here, and then put the other ones in. And you just need to tighten these a little bit at a time all the way around, because they are small screws and I bet they'd be pretty easy to strip out, but it wasn't that bad. So check it out, guys, in the sun. Yeah, I like it. The main reason I wanted this window is for the sliding vent. So and it locks, so we can cut the max air fan on the back, and if this is open, we get some good airflow in here. So it locks up. So I don't think you'll be disappointed if you get one of these motion windows. Because really the workmanship, the quality looks really good. I really like it. And I bet it lasts a long time as long as I don't throw a rock through it with a lawnmower or something. Hopefully that won't happen.